Hey, this is Eric, the human Swiss Army knife. If any of you guys have done restorations, planning to do restorations, or in the middle of restorations, I think you will appreciate this. My steering column was bad, and 2.5 months later, was recommended to keep the old steering wheel, the steering column, because they make better ones. The ones that you buy that are restored or remanufactured, they're made for cars that are, at least I've been told this, they're made for cars that are, going to be show cars and what have you. This is going to be a daily driver. So the Orange County steering column guys, Felipe, suggested that I do keep this original column. And to have this finished with the steering wheel on it, I can't tell you the joy that I got out of this. I was not expecting almost hardly any of this process. And frankly, there are times where I would say, you know what, if I really wanted this car or a car like this, I would buy it finished. Because there's so much labor of love that comes into this. You're looking at a dash, and yeah, we got some dust on here because it's just been sitting. I got no windshield because it's easier to work on it without a windshield. But you've got the dash got redone, the speedometer, the radio, the heating control, the doors, the the headliner, everything got redone, and I did it all. And it's just been, okay, just one foot in front of the other. The car runs, but we had a steering box throughout this project that started to leak. So I'm having that rebuilt. I was also shown how to take the steering rack off. So I took that off, and I'm going to take that into them and have them give me all new parts. So the whole front end will drive nice, and it's nice and solid. This is really good to feel that way. And it's a tilt steering, and it works. So, it's pretty awesome. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to say that, and I'm just really excited. And any of you going through stuff like this, share it with me in the comments. And this is Eric, the Swiss Army Knife. We're out, going on vacation, going to Hawaii Tuesday.